Alright guys, in this video we're going to be talking about finding the midpoint of 2 points. Two ways that I'm going to explain this. The first one is way too complicated and you're probably never going to use, but it's good to know so you understand the logic behind finding the midpoint, right? And the idea is this. These are your 2 points, 1, 1 and 4, 3. So what you're going to do is find the average change in y and the average change in x. And simply, you take the second point, the furthest one, and subtract it from the first one. So these are the x's, right? We'll give you 3. So this length here is 3. Divide by 2, we'll give you 1.5. So half of it would be 1.5, right? Same thing for the y. You do 3 minus 1 equals 2. So this length here is 2. Divided by 2 equals 1. So this length here is 1, right? This works fine, except what we have to now do is account for that shift, for this extra length. So 1 plus 1.5 is 2.5. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So this midpoint is 2.52. Right? Like I said, way too complicated, but you understand where it comes from. Now, if we do the same points, the idea behind this method is that, say this is your friend and this is you. You have $1 and your friend has 4, and you want to know what the average between both of you is, or are. Well, yeah, what the average is. You add the money together and divide by 2, right? So simply to find the this change here, this length here, you add both of your your money or your lengths. You add this length plus this length, which would be 4 plus 1 equals 5, right? Divided by 2. 2.5, and that would be this here. That would be this length. And the same with the y's. You add this length plus this length, and you divide by 2, should give you that length there, right? So you do 1 plus 3 equals 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2. It's your midpoint. And that's pretty much it. So to derive our formula now, our midpoint formula, let's do our midpoint is equal to, denote this as x1, y1, x2, y2, right? So to find the midpoint of this, you take x2 plus x1 divided by 2, right? And that would give you your x term. And do y2 plus y1 divided by 2. And that will give you your y coordinates, right? So this is your coordinates. And that's pretty much it. That's right here is the midpoint formula. And that's the idea behind it. Alright, thank you for watching.